guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial, pretty short one, I'm gonna show you how to paint invitation, a postcard, and it's pretty simple in watercolor style. And for today's class I'm gonna use my own watercolor brush set that I created recently, that is called Advanced Set of Uniques. And let's get started. I have one texture paper. Once again, you don't need to have this texture paper, you don't need to have those brushes. You might use your own watercolor brushes that you have, or you might use actually native Procreate brushes. You can use gouache brush. This is very good brush that might be useful for painting in watercolor style. So what we should do, we created one layer underneath of our texture paper, and we're gonna create a brush, and first we'll start painting sketch. Like that. And from this part we have some kind of leaves. And some leaves in this area because we need to show the frame. Okay, cool. And now for painting those roses, I'm gonna use BooStudio brush blender. And I'm gonna use the brush. This brush is very artistic. The same here. I'll create one more layer and I'm gonna switch the brush to BooStudio Scrub. Light green color. Increase the size. And this brush is looks like an ink brush. And guys, as a blender, I'm using a BooStudio watercolor brush. Now I'm gonna change the color of the leaves slightly to a bluish color. And for those kind of plants, I'm gonna use BooStudio brush. Okay, like that. Next I want to add some lines, and I will do that on the same layer. For dry brush, I'm gonna use it as a detailer. And I need to add some shades, but before that I need to remove the transparency. Go to lower layer, go to adjustments, hue, saturation, brightness, and increase the brightness till maximum and merge that together. The same with the plants here. Go to lower layer. I like the way how it looks, so I'm gonna move the opacity to 50%, and after merge together, go to lower layer. Tap hue, saturation, brightness, and increase the brightness. And duplicate it 2 times and merge that together. So now we can paint on the top of our florals, and we will make it more beautiful. I'll create one more layer on the top, press clipping mask on the top of our plants, and now I can add some shades. I'm gonna go and grab BooStudio brush and blender, lower the opacity, multiply layer, here we need to show the shadow. Now let's do the same with those florals. I like it. Create one more layer on the top. Now it's in the clipping mask mode. Don't forget about multiply layer. Lower the size. same, I need to show the shadow on this part. Later I'm gonna blend the edges, but before we start doing that, blending tool. And in the middle, I want to add slightly yellowish color. I'm gonna go and grab Boo Basic Soft Brush. I'll create one more layer in between. It's I didn't change the mode, so it's still normal. And I'm gonna add some pinkish color all around. For example, if I want to blend it like this. And here I can blend a tiny bit of this reddish color, and that might look very beautiful. And guys, now the last part, what else I want to do? I want to add some splashes and make it more realistic and more authentic. So I'll grab Watercolor blotchy and I will press clip and mask. I'm gonna grab reddish color, slightly reddish color, and here we have the stamp brush. So this brush can help you to add a very beautiful look. So as you see, it looks way more better. I'll merge it together, create one more layer, and I want to have slightly darker look. Don't forget, place it in a clip and mask mode. Now you might see it here. You might rotate it, you see, to the edges. One more thing, what else you might do if you want, of course, we can create a layer, press clip and mask, move to multiply mode, go grab dark color, grab Watercolor edger. I do like this brush because it can help you see to add this watercolor edge. It is pretty realistic. And same you can do with those florals, those leaves. Go to lower layer, slightly darker, and you might add tiny bit of those edges. So you will make your painting more realistic. Like that. And because this is in a clip and mask mode, it's very convenient. It will not go beyond the edges. And add some yellow shades, orange, even orange shades inside. Okay, cool. We're done with our beautiful botanicals. I'm gonna duplicate it 3 times. Leave one like this. After that, I will lower the size and I'll place it somewhere here and do the same with another one. I will flip it vertical and horizontal and change the size slightly, like this. So now we have a very beautiful authentic frame and I like how it looks. You can move it slightly to these edges. And the other thing, I want to show the actual frame, but show it just with the help of our brushes. So what I'm gonna do, first one, you might grab a Watercolor edger. And we're gonna go and grab blender and blend everything. You might make a rectangle shaped painting, but I don't want to have to be very strict in lines. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Next one, I'm gonna add some splashes and watercolor splatter, and I want to keep splatters like this all around. Be careful, you need to write clip and mask. Now it's in a clip and mask mode. You made it slightly lighter like this, so it shouldn't be that obvious. And on the top of everything, I will write invitation. I will grab this bluish color, it can be green, it's up to you. And you can choose the font that you like and just write invitation. Yeah, invitation like this. And it looks just wonderful. Guys, you might write like invitation to wedding, or invitation to, I don't know, Mary, John, anyone, or invitation to party. So it's up to you what kind of invitation you want to make, and I hope you enjoyed my short today's tutorial, and now you know how to make the invitation by yourself. And guys, if you like my class, if you like my tutorial, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!